Hi everybody, say hello Philippe.
Hello.
Hello, so we're back today to show you a recipe for Gâteaux Basque with some mandarin and crème pâtissière. So here we got some sugar, caster sugar. We got, yeah, 4 eggs and vanilla paste. Got some plain flour, some almond meal, mandarins, and some unsalted butter. And we've got a cake mold. So we're going to start with the sugar and the eggs. So we've got the vanilla. I'm using vanilla paste. You can use vanilla pods if you want. What do you think, Philip? That looks good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now
How will I get to eat?
well, we're gonna just wash your fingers. We're gonna turn it on. No flour yet. No flour yet. Next. You wanna put you wanna put a little bit of butter on? Yeah, little bit by little bit. That's right, good job. You say hello to the little kids at home. You think?
Please show them what we made.
Yeah, I can show them what we're making, yeah.
Dad,
You think they're gonna be able to do the cake at home?
I think they want to make
Yeah.
it.
Are you having fun making the cake? Yeah, it's fun cooking at home, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Now let's keep putting the butter on. Papa help you. So the butter has to be soft, or beurre pomade as we call it, so it has to like a soft consistency, so it can incorporate with the eggs and the sugar.
We love the butter. Why?
Yeah, we do like butter, yes. Oh, that's okay, I can get that. Okay, you get your hands dirty, but that's part of the fun. Yeah, there you go, see there's a bit left. For the traditional recipe for this, you use cherry jam, but I had some mandarins at home, that I thought I could use it to add a bit of the citrusy taste, a bit of a difference to the cake, a bit of a twist. So Philip and I just put all the butter in the mix. Now we just no, hang on. You're very excited, aren't you, Philou? You just have to wait a little bit of patience.
I'm going to do slow.
No, we have to go fast so it mix. See?
You hold the cake in place.
Yeah, just you can hold it.
Some people last that.
Yeah, well, this one is finished. We have the sugar in this one.
It's so wrong.
Yeah. Now I'll be posting. Yeah, I'll be posting the finished product on my Instagram page. You can check it out. I'll be also posting the full recipe on my website, le-fermier.com. And if you like the recipes of me and Philou cooking, you can subscribe, leave a comment and like, and you'll be the first to know when a new recipe appears. That's nearly good, Philou, so now we're gonna add the almond meal in a minute. What are you making there? You're making your own little cake? What kind of cake are you making, Philip? Ah, yeah, I see. Yeah, that's good. You're a good apprentice. Okay. Now we're gonna add the almond meal. Yeah. Then we're gonna add the flour and the baking powder. Sorry, Philip. Excuse me. Hey, chef. Hang on, move. Yeah. Gently, gently. There you go. Nice creamy consistency. Oh, let me clean the camera lens because there's a bit of flour. There you go, a bit better. Alright. That looks quite good. Now let's lift it. Not too much, not too much. Yeah, that's it, no more.
Let's try.
Alright, so
What does it taste like?
this is like almonds. A bit of vanilla.
What was it?
Now, let me just put the tripod in place.
And then what is going to happen? Can I lick it when it's full of, when it's, can I lick and then?
Well, we're not. You can lick your hand, but you got plenty on your hand there. So I'm just. Now put this there. I'm gonna grab some spray to spray my cake tin. Just put that there.
But I wanted to lick it.
Yeah, I know you do, but it's gonna give you a stomachache if you do. Just like so, nicely greased, so it comes out when you unmold it. So no, stop, that's enough, that's enough. Yeah, you're gonna have a stomachache, monkey.
Can I lick the bowl then?
When I'm finished with it, you may. Now, there's different ways to do this. You can use a piping bag, but
But how do you put all of it in?
yeah, hang on, I'll show you. You just spread it. And I've made crème pâtissière en pastry cream before. You can check out my Instagram TV channel on my page. It's le_Fermier, and you can see the recipe. I've made the recipe before with Philippe. So you make that prior to making that mix.
Don't forget that.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. There you go. Just go grab a spoon.
I'm getting a spoon for this.
No, that's enough. That's I need some for the top. That's right.
I want a spoon. Can I lick it? Can I lick it?
Yeah. No licking. I need it for the cake, monkey.
But how would I eat?
What would you eat?
I need to eat something. But I lick the bowl, you said I can. You said when I can lick the bowl.
Yeah, but just give me 1 second. And then when the cake is cooked, you can be the first one to taste it. How about that?
I want to lick the bowl.
I know you do. All right. Hey, you can have some of the crème pâtissière if you want. Some of this. Yes. Let me show everybody what I'm talking about. So I made crème pâtissière before, so it's still a little bit soft.
Can I taste? Can I want it to taste?
You can taste some. Of course, you can taste some. If you're a good cook, everybody tastes what they make. See? A spoon. There you go.
Everybody will like this.
Everybody will like the. But I hope they do, so they keep watching a video, monkey. See? You just spread it like so. You help me? That's good. Good job, monkey. Not made a mistake. I put some too close to the edge. That's
Why are
okay.
you putting that there?
We will put it not too close to the edge
But why are we doing that?
because it's part of the recipe. It's part of the cake.
I
See?
like it.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. They do a good job.
You should try some.
I did try some. It's yummy.
Where? When? I did just see you ate.
Didn't you? But try it when I made it in the pot.
You taste it. That looks like too much.
It looks like too much, does it?
We don't have to put all of it on there.
We don't have to put all of it, you're right. And I've got some mandarins there.
Put them in.
Yep. That looks alright? Yes? Oh, good, thank you.
Put it down.
Alright, mandarins. That should be a nice cake. What do you think, Philip?
I'm making a face on it.
You make okay. You can make a face if you want. Yes.
Can I try it? I only want to some.
Okay, that's alright. It's good. Mandarin are good, Philip, aren't they? It's a good fruit. You love mandarins. I think maybe it's enough cake mix there.
No, I don't want to try it. Because it's so tasty for me.
Really it's tasty.
Yeah. It's the why video.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I put it away because otherwise you're gonna have a stomach ache or not eat your dinner.
Please don't put it away.
I'll put it in the fridge for now.
Wait, I don't want it.
Yeah.
Look, just like that. There, it's a mandarine. It's a cake.
Alright, so once I finish doing this,
Maybe it's a cake.
yeah.
But how do I get to you? Whoa. I'm like a shift. And now I'm a clip. Whoa. Good, hold on to the table, okay? Now can we do mine?
Hmm?
Can we do mine now?
We can do yours in a minute, yes, Philip?
What? Oh, we have a ton of cake.
Ah, boy, what did I say before, Philip?
What? Too much. But I will be fine, Dad.
Yeah, I'm sure you will be.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. I'm sure so good. Don't worry, Paul. Paul, what? And what? What? Oh, Joe. Dad, look. Look.
Okay, nearly there.
Mandarine.
Is it?
Look, there, my hand.
Yeah.
There. Let's cover it. Wait a minute. It's squeezed juice.
Alright, nearly there. Taking a little bit longer to do. Cooking with a toddler is not always easy.
Can I lick the spoon?
Yeah, you can.
I lick the spoon? He wants to make 2 tummy eggs.
Alright, so
So we cover.
now it should look something like that. I probably put a little bit too much at the bottom, so I didn't have as much as I would have liked to put on top.
Today.
try and cover all the pastry cream and the fruit that you've put in the middle. You can use your finger, that's okay. Now, and I'm going to cook that in the 210 degrees Celsius oven. I'm going to check it after 30 minutes, but it's probably going to take a little bit longer. And before I put it in the oven, I'm just going to crack one egg and one egg yolk, and then just like brush it over the top, so when it cooks, it's nice and golden. And as I said before, I'll post the end product on my Instagram channel. Just check it out, le_Fermier, and you can see a whole lot of other recipes. Now that's it for me today, guys, and that's it for Philou. You say good night. You say not good night. Sorry. You say bye bye, Philippe.
Bye bye.
Well, you can look at people.
Bye.
Yeah, you're having fun tasting, aren't you?
I'm not tasting it.
Yeah.
I'm making it.
All right, see you guys. If you enjoy, subscribe and like, and we'll see you later for another recipe. See you.